Here's a way to see apps or programs on your PC that have an upgrade available to them. So if you go to your Start menu and type CMD, open that, and in the command prompt, you can type this in: Winget upgrade. Hit enter. And what it's going to do is it's going to bring back a list of those apps that have an upgrade available to them. If this is the first time you're doing it, you'll see a screen that will pop up asking you for a confirmation of agreeing to the terms of service. If you go to that URL that's showing on there, it takes you to Microsoft's terms of service, which essentially says, hey, we're not responsible if you screw something up in some way since you're using the command tool. I'm saying the same thing. If you screw something up, it's not my fault. As you can see on the screen what I'm doing and the results I'm getting. So if you mistype something, or I don't know what, maybe your computer's just weird, I don't know. Either way, just like Microsoft, I'm not responsible if you screw something up. Hit yes on that. Once you hit yes, it will then bring back a list of all of the programs that have an update available. So if you want to do an update, you can see the ID, the version, what's available. Now you can type this in. Same thing, that Winget upgrade. And make note of the fact that there's a space in between Winget and upgrade. Now hit space again, and you take the ID of the one that you want to update. So let's grab Asana, which is a program management app. I'm just going to paste it in there, and I'm going to hit enter. Now it's downloading the update. And there we go, successfully installed. The reason I like doing it this way versus going to the program's website and then downloading, it's usually a zip file, which you then have to unzip and then install. So I just think this is a bit quicker, and I like the fact that it brings it back in a list. Now you can actually update them all at once without typing in each one. I don't necessarily recommend doing that because I found with a Windows machine that if I have it doing too many things at once, it panics and freezes up, or some kind of an error happens. That's why I think doing them one at a time is the best way to do it. But if you want to do them all, once again, caution, you have now been warned. Same thing, you can go Winget update or Winget upgrade, space, and then go -- all, and then hit enter, and it will then just go and update them all. I've never tried it this way. Maybe it works just fine. I don't know. I just don't trust having a machine update multiple things at once. This way, if say I do one update and then something stops working, I know what caused it. If you're doing them all at once and something screws up, well, then you've got to go through whatever updates it's done so far and figure out which one caused the error. And that's why I don't recommend doing it this way. But hey, if you're a risky kind of person and up to it, go for it. And that's it. I think it's just a quick way of updating your apps versus the usual method. If it works for you, great. If it doesn't, please don't complain to me. I'm just some dude with a YouTube channel.